Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is New York Princess Feliz. Nagagandahan ako sa kwento na to. Oh my gosh, binigay ko sa amin ng teacher namin. Yung bigay sa amin today, it's reading. I don't know kung pang grade 6 ba to. Grade 6 kasi ako guys. Pero sanay ako na grade 6 yung balot ako. May binigay ko balik ko. Pero wala nakalagay guys. Oh, ayun lang. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Oh. Nilagyan ko yung name ko. Hindi ko talaga mapantay yung name ko, no. So guys, ito yung inaano ko, ganda itong kwento na to. Basahin natin ko na para sa inyo. This is English, guys. Oh my gosh! Ito siya, guys. Yan. So, nakabasa nito, no? Edison, kayo naman panalo, Eme. So, dito tayo first, no? Makinig na lang kayo. Note on the Panchtra. The Panchtra is a collection of stars considered a great favorite in India. This is how the Panchtra came to be. More than 1,000 years ago, Tree was a king who ruled a vast kingdom. The people loved him because he was wise and kind. So guys, nakahiga pala ako na para maalam nyo na nakahiga bago natin pagpatulitan na pagbasa. Nakahiga. Aupo na ako guys. Aupo na yan. So tara. Sulat talaga pati ito. Bigay ng ask namin ito sa dating estudyante ni ma'am namin, advisor namin. So let's go. Basahin natin. More than 1,000 years ago, Tree was a king who ruled a vast kingdom. The people loved him because he was wise and kind. The king had 3 sons. The people believed that very would good. The king would also be wise and kind. But they were wrong, for the sons were stubborn, dull, and lazy. They did not want to study. So, papaalala ko sa inyo guys ha, hindi ako marunong magbasa ng English. Masyado lang, kaunti lang yung, kaunti lang medyo marunong magbasa. So, tapos tayo dito, papakita ko sa inyo ha. Nagsat ko lang yan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, dito tayo. So, bilangin nyo guys na 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 sila guys ha. 5 sila. So, first one din tayo. They thought learning would be waste of time because their father was rich, the king. Third, to convince his sons, but they refused to listen to him. The king called for the best teacher who could make the sons study. They tried all methods, but they failed. No one could make the boys study. They did not even want to learn to read. The king was very much worried. Then one day, pangalawa na tayo. Then one day, a guru or a teacher is appeared and volunteered to teach the boys. The king was overjoyed and he promised to give the guru the largest village in the kingdom if they could teach the boys. The guru, however, refused his offer. That told the king that and siya guys, Wait, hindi nyo makita. Labo lang camera ko. I'm sorry. Ayan. Ayan. Nahirapan ako, guys. So, nakakaalam na nyo na. Pabasa nyo naman sa akin, okay? Sabi ko sa inyo, guys, hindi talaga marunong gusto ng English eh. Kaunti lang alam ko talaga. College is not for sale. Tatlo. So, para maniwala kayo, sabi ko, di ba? Not for sale. O, yan guys, The guru brought the boys to his house the third, telling them stories. The stories were very interesting to the boys, so that they listened very eagerly. The stories were about worship, things in this world. Some were about animals and birds. Some were about markets, officials of government, friends, and people in various walks of life. Yan guys pang-apat. Nabasa ko yan. Walks of life. Dito tayo. Yan yung panghuli ng pang-apat Inuli. Verse, okay? Yung panghuli nun. So, in less than 6 months, the boys gained much world wisdom. They learned about politics, the behavior of people, and dealing with people. They admire the language that the guru used, so that they tried to be like him. Soon, they were writing etc. Prose and verse. Ang 5. The stories come to be con. So, yun guys, yung panghuli ng 5. Yan. Wala to. Binigay ito na ganito talaga. Yan. Yan yung panghuli niya. Sayang nga lang yan. Ako marunong kayo, diba? The stories come to be con as Pashtantara because they were divided into 5 books. How to spread friends, how to make friends, the word between course and all the laws of one earning, and the results of the children's action. So, tapos tayo guys. Para sa mga may kanto na book, kung gusto niyo malaman yung binabasa ko, eto siya guys. Eto yung mga gantong book Yan, ganyan. Kahit anumang grade yan, ganyan sa likod. Yan. Sa page 23 lang yan guys. 22 to 23 yung page yan guys So, may bukbasa pa tayo dito. Eto guys, meron din ako ditong binabasa din. Ay, well, yun. Diba sabi ko sa inyo guys, guys, lokal-lokal gamit nito. Nilagyan ng sticker. Hindi ko nga alam guys kung saan ito galing. Basta galing lang to kay ma'am guys, binigay sa amin. Pero sa dating may-ari, hindi ko alam kung kanino to. Sorry na lang sa may-ari nito. Sorry kasi tinanggal ko kasi nga para kung ewan dito baka sa masisi. Kung kanina ba to naganto may pretendan kayo, diba? Sorry sa inyo kasi tinanggal ko. Lagay na lang natin yung shade. Halagay natin yung dito. Ayan. Andiyan na po yan Yan. Oh. Diyan, hindi kayo nawawala Kung may nawala man dyan. So, meron po ulit guys. Guys, hindi ako nagbibiro, hindi ako nagkaganto ng sticker. Okay? Hindi ako pakita pa sa inyo guys. Luma na talaga eh. So, ito dito ko na ilalagay. Hindi ako nagbibiro guys. Promise. Wala akong sticker na gano'n. Yung mga sticker ko is hindi gano'n. So, yan. So, yan guys. Sa susunod, comment kayo sa baba kung anong babasahin ko. Kayo ng page. Hanggang page ano to guys. Wait. Comment down below ha. Hanggang page. Wait. Nasagaan kasi ako guys eh. Hanggang page 78 per ganyan na yan. 79 pala. Sa likod, ganyan sa 80. Wala na yan. So, comment down below kung anong susunod natin babasahin na kwento. Comment nyo dyan sa ibaba kung anong babasahin natin at kung ano papalinggan nyo. Okay guys, comment down below lahat. And mag-shout out din ako pag may nagsabi na siya pa-shout out. And thanks for kong subscriber. Masaya na din ako doon, pero pinapalaki ko pa rin para makatulong ako sa family ko. Greetings na salamat talaga guys sa mga nag-support sa akin. Please subscribe, comment, keep the bell. Yan guys Yan. Kahit anong page guys, babasahin ko lahat ng comment nyo. Lahat. Kahit yung mga tanong guys, babasahin ko yan para sa inyo lang. Ayun siya guys. So, comment down below kung ano talaga mapasa natin. Mag-comment ko dyan ng mga number, kahit anong number, maglalampas ng 100. Basta nasa hanggang 78 lang ng pages yan guys. Pero maghanap din ako ng book na ganito na hanggang 100 yung katulad doon sa book talaga. And yun lang. Bye-bye. We love you always guys. Comment, subscribe, and yun lang. Bye-bye. Mwah.